Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate using cocoa powder and milk step by step. Start by measuring 4 tablespoons cocoa, 1 cup milk, and 2 tablespoons sugar. Whisk together dry ingredients before adding warm milk to avoid lumps. Heat gently over low to medium heat, stirring constantly until smooth and slightly thickened. Taste and adjust sweetness, or add 1 tsp vanilla for extra depth. Warm your milk slowly until small bubbles form around the edge. Never boil or scorch it. Whisk a measured cocoa and sugar mix into the warm milk, using steady circular motions to emulsify and prevent clumps. Continue stirring until the mixture thickens slightly and coats the back of a spoon. If you want a glossier finish, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons butter or cream until fully incorporated. Taste as you sweeten, adding sugar gradually until the balance suits you, and remember a pinch of salt can brighten the cocoa. Try 1 tsp vanilla, a dash of espresso, or a sprinkle of cinnamon to create more complex flavor notes. For texture control, chill in the fridge or pour into molds to set firm pieces, or keep warm and silky for a comforting drinking chocolate experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.